Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia and today I've got a little bit of a haul video. I just want to share with you my first SHEIN order. It came yesterday. I've opened the bag but I haven't pulled anything out of the packet, so we get to see this together. So there'll be a little bit of rustling in the bag, so please excuse that. But let's get into it. So this is going to be a lucky dip. We're going to pull everything out bit by bit and see what we've got. So this is a little packet of, oh, that's right, yes. Okay, let's open these and see what's inside. So these are going to be for all my junk journals and paper crafting, and let's have a look inside here and see. So that's empty. Oh, they're all little photos on a negative thing. Oh yeah, those are the same, so they're all, looks like there's 2 of each. Now I wonder if these are stickers. Oh, look at those tulips. Aren't they cute? I don't know if they're a sticker or not. Oh, they are. So, the tulips. There's 2 of those. Don't know what way that goes. Maybe if I put my glasses on, I'll be able to see what I'm looking at. Here we go. Oh, some little daisies. Aren't they cute? I like that there's 2 of each. What is this? Must go that way. Oh yes, it's a landscape. Oh, and they've got little sayings on them, and that says I'll try anything once. That's that one. This one is, oh, it just says Kodak Portra. So that's a port in some country. These ones, oh yeah, same, Kodak. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to use. Which way does this go? Oh, there's nothing written on this one. Maybe it goes, oh, I don't know, that way. Oh, yes. It's got a little, it's a rose. This one's called Nevermind. Some more beautiful, they look like tulips. Excuse me. This one is Live a Good Life, Meet Slowly. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the clouds and the mountains. That's really pretty. And this is Peace and Love. It's a little combi van. And this is called Hope. It's a clock. And it looks like we are back. Talk Truly. More tulips. Oh no, I thought we were back into doubles again. This is called Come On. Looks like a windowsill. And this one is not named. It's looking out a sheer curtain onto a balcony with some wrought iron fencing by the looks of it. This one, You Light Up My Life. It's the Snowtop Mountains. I like these ones with the sheer curtains. Okay. And this is called Enjoy Life. And we've got Happy Moment. It's a sunflower. And what's going on here? This one hasn't got a name. That's another one of the sun. It's another window scene looking out into the mountains. And then we've got a street. It looks like a subway maybe. So those are those. Those are really cool. I like those. Okay, what's next? Next we have some life excerpt. What does that say? Don't even know what it says, but we'll open it and have a look. If I can get into it. Okay, life excerpt series. So these are original long text stickers. So we've got black ones. Tomorrow is always fresh with no mistakes in it yet. Anne of Green Gables. So they're all okay. And then there's a vellum sticker as well. And know that you don't have to be perfect, you can be good. East of Eden. So I like all of these. So there's heaps of them. So that's the same one, but in the black. I just saw Peter Pan. Hang on, what's that one? All children except one grow up. Peter Pan. So those are all going to be good. There's lots in there. I won't go through them all because we'll be here all day. So that's those. What else have we got? That's the receipt. You don't want to see that. We have got clear vinyl stickers. It's called Afternoon Garden. And these are all botanical stickers. We have got more rubbish. We've got some clear vinyl greenery. This is called Good Lucky. So those are going to be fun. And we have got, ooh, these are tickets. Right, let me, some scissors. See if we can get into these without losing any limbs. Not very successfully, it's all sticking to me. Okay. There we go. Right. So they're in this little pocket. How cute is that? That's the back. Oh, you could use that for a bookmark. That back page. Anyway, these are little, oh, that one's a clear vellum, so that's the cover. Oh, look, these are all mushrooms and, oh, how neat is that? So you can put the whole piece on your journal, or you can cut bits off, or, yeah, oh, those are cool. Right, so those are my tickets. What else have we got in here? Oh, this was cute. It is a tiny, I mean, there's my hand. It's a tiny little book. I don't even know what it is. Fairy Tale Town. Story material picture book. Oh, So there's a little case. Oh, look at that. It's Alice in Wonderland. And it's a picture book. So you can take pictures out and use them in your journals. And the Mad Hatter. Huh. Oh, there's Alice. Wow, that's cool. Alice, who once roamed Wonderland, is 19 years old. She lives in a magnificent and wealthy manor. She has no worries about food and clothing and lives extravagantly. Driven by the social atmosphere, she gradually grows into a noble woman in the family's mind, but she has long forgotten her wonderful experience at the age of 9. That is so cute. Okay. So that's that one. Right. Oh yes, we've got more. Now I need to see, deco sticker, if these are all butterflies, but whether these are stickers. Oh yeah, it says stickers. Oh yeah, there. Yep, so they're all clear vinyl stickers. So that's good. So those are the butterflies. Right, what have we got here? Clifton Stamp Society, 35th anniversary. Oh yeah, yes, these are all my coffee theme stickers. Coffee beans, coffee plant or bean plant, coffee pot. Oh, how cool. Oh yes, there's my caramel latte. Oh, these are super cool. Excuse me. Coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I think I need a coffee. Coffee and cake. Coffee pot. I'm very happy with those. Yay. So those are my coffee themed stickers. That's cool. Right, get in there, little guy. Okay. Right, I'll fix that soon. Right, what else have we got? Oh yes, these are more botanical. I think these were the wildflowers, and they're clear vellum stickers as well. And we have, what do we got here? Butterfly overture. Ah, these are all just little butterfly pieces. Oh, and some birds. I wonder if they're stickers. Let's have a look. I think they might be. Yes, they are. Are they vellum? Oh, look at that. Are they like a washi tape? Oh, so that's good. So that's those. What else? Oh, and these little, I don't even remember what these were called, but they were a bit cute. And I thought I could make them into little needle minders. Aren't they cute? They're like little resin pieces. I like that little chocolate bar, little pineapple and the avocado. So that is what I got. My bag's empty. So that's my first SHEIN order. I'm very happy with everything I got there. So I just thought I'd jump on and share that little haul video with you. And I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.